Creating a modern tropical garden is all about blending lush, exotic plant life with elegant, contemporary design elements. Tropical gardens bring a sense of paradise to any home, offering vibrant colors, rich textures, and a calming atmosphere. By integrating these gardens into modern homes, you can transform your outdoor space into a luxurious retreat that feels both inviting and sophisticated. In this guide, we'll explore a variety of ideas, tips, and examples to help you craft the perfect modern tropical garden. Embrace bold foliage and colors. Tropical gardens are renowned for their vibrant and diverse plant life. To achieve a striking look, choose plants with bold foliage and rich colors. Consider incorporating large-leafed plants like monstera, bird of paradise, or banana plants. These can serve as dramatic focal points in your garden. Pair them with colorful flowering plants, such as hibiscus, bougainvillea, or heliconia to add a splash of vibrant hues. The combination of lush greens and bright blossoms will create a visually stimulating and vibrant outdoor space. Incorporate water features. Water features are a staple in tropical garden design, adding both beauty and tranquility. Consider installing a sleek, modern water feature, such as a minimalist pond with clean lines or a contemporary water wall. For smaller spaces, a stylish water bowl or a tiered fountain can serve as a focal point without overwhelming the area. The sound of flowing water not only enhances the sensory experience, but also complements the lush, tropical ambiance. Utilize modern hardscaping elements. In a modern tropical garden, hardscaping plays a crucial role in balancing the vibrant plant life. Opt for clean, geometric lines and materials like concrete, stone, or wood with a polished finish. A concrete patio or a wooden deck can provide a stylish contrast to the lush greenery. Incorporate sleek pathways, retaining walls, or raised garden beds with sharp, clean edges to maintain a contemporary feel while showcasing your tropical plants. Design with lighting in mind. Lighting is essential for highlighting the beauty of your tropical garden, especially during the evening. Use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a layered effect. Recessed lighting along pathways and subtle uplighting for tall plants can enhance the garden's ambiance and bring out the textures of the foliage. Solar-powered lights or LED fixtures are energy-efficient options that can illuminate your garden while maintaining a modern aesthetic. Create outdoor living spaces. Modern tropical gardens often include areas designed for relaxation and entertainment. Consider incorporating a stylish outdoor lounge area with comfortable furniture, such as low-profile sofas or woven lounge chairs. Use materials that complement the tropical theme, like teak or rattan, and add plush cushions in vibrant colors or patterns. A shaded pergola or a sleek canopy can provide relief from the sun while creating a cozy, inviting space for dining or lounging. Integrate tropical plants with modern containers. Modern planters and containers can enhance the look of your tropical garden while keeping it organized. Choose sleek, minimalist containers in materials like fiberglass, ceramic, or metal. For a unified look, use uniform containers in different sizes to create a cohesive design. Elevated planters or hanging pots can add visual interest and make the most of vertical space, allowing you to feature a variety of tropical plants without overcrowding the garden. Incorporate tropical patterns and textures. Add depth and interest to your tropical garden by incorporating patterns and textures that echo the lush surroundings. Consider using patterned tiles or mosaic accents for pathways or water features. Textured materials like woven outdoor rugs, bamboo screens, or patterned cushions can introduce additional layers of visual appeal. Mixing and matching textures while maintaining a consistent color palette can create a harmonious and engaging outdoor space. Enhance privacy and seclusion. Creating a private, secluded area within your tropical garden can enhance the feeling of retreat and relaxation. Use lush plantings like tall palms, bamboo, or climbing vines to form natural screens or privacy walls. Incorporate modern privacy solutions such as vertical garden panels or trellises with climbing plants. This approach not only provides seclusion but also integrates seamlessly with the tropical theme. Implement sustainable practices. Sustainability can be a key feature in modern tropical gardens. Choose native or drought-tolerant tropical plants that require less water and are better suited to your local climate. Implement rainwater harvesting systems or drip irrigation to efficiently manage water usage. Use eco-friendly materials for hardscaping and select organic fertilizers to minimize environmental impact. Sustainable practices will help maintain the garden's beauty while contributing to a healthier planet. Personalize with art and accessories. Finally, add personal touches to your tropical garden with art and accessories that reflect your style. Consider incorporating sculptures, decorative pots, or garden art that complements the tropical theme. Modern, abstract sculptures or handcrafted pieces can serve as unique focal points. Incorporate functional accessories like stylish outdoor furniture, chic lanterns, or vibrant outdoor cushions to complete the look and make the space truly your own.